Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die."
Most people trade their time for money. They work a job, get paid, and spend it. But the wealthy play a different game. They build assets. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, whether you work or not.
If you want to escape the rat race, you need to own at least one of these 7 assets.
Number 1, real estate. This is the playground of the rich. Land is a finite resource. Whether it's rental income or property appreciation, real estate is the most solid foundation for wealth.
Number 2, dividend stocks. Imagine getting paid just for owning a small piece of a company. When you invest in dividend stocks, major corporations pay you a share of their profits. It is truly passive income. Number 3, digital products. In the modern world, selling knowledge is power. Ebooks, online courses, or software. You build it once and sell it 1,000,000 times with zero manufacturing cost. Number 4, gold and silver. This is God's money. Currencies crash, governments print trillions, but gold has held its value for 5,000 years. It is your insurance against chaos.
Number 5, a YouTube channel. Yes, exactly what you are watching right now. A video you upload today can generate ad revenue for you 5 years from now. It is digital real estate.
Number 6, a business. Not a job you own, but a system you own. A business that runs without you. If you have to be there every day, it's not a business, it's a job. Number 7, yourself. This is the most important one. Your skills, your mindset, and your health. The more you learn, the more you earn. Stop working for money. Make money work for you. Which asset will you build first?
Welcome to the Wealth Architect.